Hop into the 2021 Honda Accord. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's the Honda Accord, the iconic midsize sedan that sets the standard for others to follow. Its bold, powerful performance, comfortable ride, elegance of design, and state-of-the-art technology make it the clear choice. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. It's time you treated yourself to the best. This Honda Accord is waiting. Come in and drive it today.